Hi, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for a lawnmower.
Oh, right down the aisle.
Thank you. I'll take this one. No, no.
Huh?
Honey, I'm home. Hi, babe. How was your day? It would have been good if you would have been here. Or if I didn't have to pay so much alimony. Or if I even got to see the kids.
Are we ready? We can keep that one, right? Ready? One.
Hello?
Bill, why aren't you at work yet?
Oh! Boss, sorry. Oh, I'm sick. I think I got that virus that's coming in from China, boss.
Is that come to America yet? Probably not. Just another media circus that won't affect us in any way in the upcoming months. Anyways, get better, Bill. You better come back to work tomorrow, though.
Okay, boss. Okay, bye. I did so much for this family, and you leave me because of the garden? This sucks. I work hard for this family. You think Luis could take you to Disney World? He's a gardener, for Christ's sake. I hate this lawn.
Oh no, I just dropped these highly radioactive substances on a man's lawn. Here, let me pick it up. Oh, great. Now I've fallen onto the substances. Oh, great. It burns really bad. Tell my family I love them. Hasta la vista, baby. Looks like this man has mowed me far too many times.
Time to mow the lawn again. It's the lawnmower. I didn't need it. Oh, there it is. Ah! Who are you?
I'm the lawn, and I think it's about time I mow you. Oh, sorry, I kind of forgot the gas. Just stay right there. I'll be right back.
Hello?
Bill, because of your erratic behavior, we're gonna have to let you go.
What?
Yes, unfortunately. Effective immediately.
Oh, but, oh.
No, I'm really sorry, Bill. See you. Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh, great.
Bye, Felicia.
Oh my God, man. Today was the worst day. The craziest thing happened to me, but I don't even want to talk about it. But to make matters worse, at the end of the day, my boss called me and I got fired.
Wow, that's a shame. But you know it's good. My friend actually who works in the city actually has a job opening right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think the interview is like tomorrow or something. I'll text you the details.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Yes! Got that job.
Boo! Finally gonna go now, Bill? Or you pay me reparations?
About that. Alright. New job, new apartment, no lawn.